Good afternoon, children. Yesterday we have learned about my shadow lesson. Okay, that is lesson number 5 from class 5th. So now we will again, yesterday only we have learned 2 paragraphs. That is how shadow will come with me in or out or going to bed or anything, how shadow will follow us, okay, with the reflection of the light and sunlight. So now we will once again repeat my shadow lesson. With the help, yesterday I explained you 2 only. Now with the help of textbook, now I will explain the whole paragraphs 4. Yesterday I explained you 2. Again I will repeat the paragraphs one by one and I will teach you. Now lesson number 1, my shadow. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. And what can be the use of him is more than I can see. He is very, very like me from the heels up to the head. And I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. Next, second paragraph. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow, not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an Indian rubber ball. And he sometimes goes so little that there is none of him at all. So here in the picture, a boy is explaining about his shadow. Okay, so in the 2 paragraphs we have learned how shadow is following the person with the help of sunlight or reflection of the light. Next, in the 3rd paragraph, what is that we will learn and I will explain to you now. He has not got a notion of how children taught to play, and can only make a fool of me is every sort of way. He stays so close behind to me. He has a crowd you can see. I did not think shame to stick to nursery as that shadow sticks to me. So once again I will repeat for you. He has not got a notion of how children taught to play, and can only make a fool of me is every sort of way. He stays so close behind me. He has a crowd you can see. I did not think shame to stick to nursery as that the shadow sticks to me. Next, here the poem yesterday I explained, but once again I am explaining whole poem for you again. One morning, very early, before the sun was up, I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup. But my lazy little shadow likes an errant sleepy head. He stayed at home behind me and he was fast asleep in bed. So here he is telling a boy in this poem how a shadow is doing with him. So whatever he is doing with a work or going outside, inside when he is coming, the shadow is falling towards him. So in this way, a shadow, how it goes through a person, we have learned here. Okay, whatever we do in our life, a shadow, when the light comes reflected to a person, it will react, same act like a person. When there is a dark, there is no shadow. When there is a sunlight, it comes the shadow. So in this poem, I have repeated you twice time. So you also once repeat this poem and read out the poem and get how a shadow is going through you. Okay. Next, I will explain you some new words from this. Okay. First one, shadow. The new words I will give from you for you. First one is shadow. Second one is funniest. It is a funniest. Next one is shoots. Next one is shoots. A small little new words I am taking from the poem and I am writing for you to know the new words. Okay. Next, a little new words. These are very little new words. Okay. Little new words I am giving into the blackboard. Next, proper. It is a proper. Next, like Indian rubber ball. Indian rubber ball. Next, here he given notion. Notion. Seventh one it is crowd. Crowd. Next, stick. Stick. Next, it is ninth one, nurse. Nursey. 10th one, shining. Shining. Shining dew. Next, lazy. Errant. Errant. Sleepy head. Sleepy head. Buttercup. Next one is buttercup. Buttercup. Next, last one is asleep. So here, everyone know, after completing the poem or anything lesson, I will choose some new words for you to spell over. Everyone can't spell the full poem. So in that hard words will be there. So once again I will repeat like that, like a new words. First, it is a shadow. Okay, SHADOW. It is known as shadow. Next, second one, funniest. FUNNIEST. It is a funniest. Okay. Next, it is a third one, shoots. SHOOTS. It's a shoots. Next, fourth one is a proper. What is fourth one? Proper. PROPER. It's a proper. Next, Indian rubber ball. Okay. INDIA. India. RUBBR rubber. BLL ball. It's an Indian rubber ball. Next, going to sixth one, notion. 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 Next, it's going towards the seventh one, crowd. COWARD. Crowd. Going to eighth one, stick. 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 Next, nursery. NURSIE. Shining dew. Is a SHINNINGDEW. Shining dew. Next, 11th one is lazy. 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 Next, it's going towards 12th one, errant. 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 13th one, sleepy head. SLEEPY. Sleepy. HEAD. Head. Sleepy head. 14th one, buttercup. BUTTR. Butter. CUP. Cup. Next, 15th one, asleep. ASLEEP. Sleep. So, these are the 15 new words that I have chosen from your textbook poem My Shadow and wrote to the blackboard. And again I repeated for you to speak out or to read the poem very proper way. So it has completed the poem as well as new words. Then going towards the next page. Here he given some questions for us. So I will read comprehension. Okay, I will read comprehension because it is a conversation. Okay, conversation between two persons. After this completed, I will give conversation. Tomorrow I will explain you the bits. So just now I will explain you a conversation of a Rahim mothers. Rahim and his mother. Rahim, mom, what we are eating for dinner tonight? Here Rahim, between Rahim and his mother. Everyone, once read out this one in your textbook. After that I am taking a bit to explain you how a conversation between two people. Here it has a conversation, page number 6 it is. So it is a conversation between Rahim and his mother. Okay. Rahim, mother. Here Rahim is a person, son, and between mother and son it is a conversation. Conversation means sambhashana. Between two people, talking between two people. What is mean by conversation? Between two people talking any topic or anything between two persons. Whatever we talk with the two persons about a topic, example it is an Independence Day or about a New Year, whatever it may be, it is a conversation between two people taking one topic. Okay, now here a conversation came by mother and son. So first word is Rahim. First thing is Rahim. What Rahim is saying in the textbook conversation. Mom, what we eating for the dinner tonight? Here a son is asking to her mother, Mom, what you are preparing for dinner? Dinner means everyone know. When we will eat dinner? Morning? No. Evening? No. At night. Yes, very good. We will eat dinner at night. So here a Rahim is asking to his mother for the night dinner what we are eating. So what mother will reply? We will see in the conversation. We will, mother, we will be eating rice, fish and some vegetables. Okay. What mother replied here? She has replied, at night we are going to eat for dinner this rice, fish. Everyone know, everyone will eat rice. Some people they will eat chapati at night. But here in the conversation, rice, fish curry and some vegetables. Means here curry. The vegetables he are telling vegetable curries as well as fish curry with the rice. The mother replied to Rahim, his son. Rahim, Abba, I don't like fish nowadays. I would rather eat chicken. So what here conversation, what Rahim is telling to her mother? Nowadays, what is telling? Nowadays I am not liking to eat the fish. I want rather eat chicken. Mom, what is telling Rahim? Nowadays he don't like fish to eat, but rather he want to eat a chicken. He is telling his mother. Mother, okay, I will ask your father to buy some chicken from tomorrow. So here a mother is telling to a Rahim his son, okay, but tomorrow I will ask your father to buy chicken for you to prepare for your lunch. So now here Rahim, Mom, can I skip eating fish today? Yes. So what he is telling to his mother, can I eat today? Can I skip eating fish tonight? What he is telling, okay, I will eat for today. Mother, no, Rahim, fish is good for you. You must eat it. So what here? Here, Rahim, what he is telling, I will skip means he will not eat the fish for today night. I will leave off, means skip off. He will skip off the eating fish for tonight. But what mother has given reply here? No, Rahim, fish is good for you. You must eat. What here mother conversation had told for Rahim? You must eat the fish. Because everyone know fish is very good for health. It is good for eyes. So you must eat it. You must eat the fish. Next, Rahim. Okay, Mom. I will eat fish. But only a little piece, please. So what he is telling here? Okay, Mom. What is telling Rahim? If the mother has told about fish, it is good for your health. So Rahim told, okay, Mom, I will eat fish, but only a little piece. What he is telling? A little bit of piece, and with the soup, he will eat the fish. Please, Mom, he has requested her. Mother, then you need to eat plenty of vegetables. So, what mother also has kept a condition to eat the vegetables too. So, you eat the fish, little bit fish also you can eat, as well as plenty of vegetables. Rahim, life is not fair, I guess. So what the Rahim has told, life is not fair, I guess. So what is telling here about it? Rahim, life is not fair for us, I can guess it. So here a mother and a son conversation is between the two. Is about a food, preparing what the food we eat at a night for the dinner. Here Rahim has given a small, Rahim was telling that what mother has told first for us to eat a fish, but Rahim has rejected for it not to eat the fish, and he has gathered either to eat the chicken. But what mom told? The mom told to eat the chicken because it is very good for health. So this is a conversation between Rahim and his mother. So today we have taken one conversation, new words as well as poem. So you read out the poem. Your homework is that I am giving a less homework. Your homework is that to read the poem My Shadow. My Shadow. Okay? My Shadow. You should read this poem as well as conversation. Write any conversation between any topic. Write the conversation. Write the conversation between any, take any topic. Take any topic. Write the conversation between any topic. Any topic. Any topic. Okay. Take any conversation or take any topic, whatever you want, whatever you know, take that one, a topic, and do the conversation between you and your mother, or you and your friend, or example, whatever you know, that one, you give it. For me tomorrow, you give a one conversation as well as read the poem to me. Okay, children? Thank you very much, children. Thank you very much. If you have any doubts, you can ask for me. Thank you, children.